Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by closing apps and saving work. This prevents data loss while changing boot options. Once done, remove USB drives or SD cards so they don't auto-boot. Power off, wait 5 to 10 seconds, then press the power button to restart. Why wait? It clears transient firmware state and lets the machine detect your next key press. Make sure you've identified your HP model because the exact key, ESC, F9, or F10 depends on firmware. Be ready to press it quickly. As the laptop powers on, repeatedly tap ESC to open the startup menu. This key consolidates options and is reliable across many HP models. Once the startup menu appears, press F9 to enter boot device options. This lists available drives and connected media. Use the arrow keys to highlight the target device, then press Enter to boot it. If you need UEFI/BIOS settings, choose the BIOS/setup option from the same menu. After selecting the device, confirm and allow the system to boot. If you intend to boot from USB repeatedly, change boot order in the BIOS so the device is first. If the target device doesn't appear, check BIOS modes, enable legacy support, or switch to UEFI as required, because some media are mode-specific. If nothing responds, perform a hard reset by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds, then retry the key sequence. If problems persist, try a different USB port or recreate the boot media to rule out corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.